What are we doing, guys?
We are going to a ferry to Long Wharf so we can go to the Children's Museum. I don't like when I go on the water.
Going on a ferry to Boston?
When we say mom.
Oh, okay. Hold on to your hat, buddy. Where are we taking our ferry from to?
Boston from
From Charlestown to Boston. Jacob, you want me to hold on to your hat?
Making your way down to the main deck of the departure. We only have a couple minutes on the dock. Thank you for riding with us today and have a great afternoon.
That was fun. Much quicker than walking, right? Bye bye, Jakey. Swim to shore. Adios.
Hey, you! Jump in the water. In the crossing? You! Jump in the water. I lost my arms.
What's wrong?
I grew them back.
Oh, there they are. Oh, we've been here before. That's the boat we were waiting for to leave. Remember? This area up here, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Vermont is called New England. This is one of the first colonies. Got it? There. Negatory.
I don't. I'm not gonna wear my poncho next time. Why? And I'm not gonna go.
You have to reapply sunblock.
You're pointing at the American flag?
Yeah.
No, that's not it.
Where is it?
Give me your finger.
Right over there.
It's further than the post-its, but it's not.
Where are we today?
We're in Boston Hotel.
Yeah, have you ever been to Boston before?
No.
It's your first time?
Yeah.
How do you like it? How's the first impressions?
I like it. Can you tell us where's the historic
The historic sail ship? The ship is right there.
Washington D.C.?
Oh wow, no?
We can
That's
see
a
Washington,
monument.
D.C..
No, you can't. That's a different monument. It definitely looks like the same one in Washington D.C. The historical ship is right over there. We're gonna go check it out later.
Oh, I see it. It's all the way over there
Mm-hmm.
with the American flag.
That's right.
I thought it was that one.
All right, so let's go and have some fun.
Guys, I thought it was that one.
No, the actual one is much bigger right there.
Yeah, I see.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Say, I love Boston.
I love Boston.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh wow, look at this. Old rotary phone. Oh, it's an actual phone. It went to the...
Should I call someone? Yeah. It worked?
Who are you gonna call?
Ghost of Boston.
Whoa, look at this. That's the ship.
It's a jet boat. Where's college?
I don't know, honey. But this is the bridge we're gonna cross to go to the city.
Why didn't we cross it in the first? Please, let's visit the duck boat.
It's on the other side, it's on an island, whatever that is.
Where?
On the other side, you have to go into the town over there. Probably later in the day.
Because we should go on that possible.
You should. Hey guys, what are we doing today? I can't hear you because Boston is very loud.
Museum of Science!
Museum of Science?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Kind of hard to see.
And today we have typical New England weather, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday was sunny and nice, and today it's a little drizzly. Drizzly.
You know what looks unreal? All the way down there.
Yeah. Underwear. All right, let's go check out the museum.
Yeah, and we're gonna be making more Roblox videos today, right?
Roblox videos?
Yeah.
Is that the plan? All right, maybe.
We're gonna make Roblox videos today of playing my favorite game in Roblox,
What's the game?
Steal the Brain Rods. It's
Ah.
really famous. And just today we both got secrets, but mine was a Los Charlitos and hers was a Lavaka. And I also have a follower.
Cool. All right, so we'll see you guys at the museum. What did we find?
I just walked through the duck that went under. Oh, see? What?
Be careful, Jakey. Wait, come on. Quack, quack! Quack, quack!
Yeah. We went to the Cheers restaurant. I liked it. It was nice. The macaroni and cheese was not better than Mama's.
I see.
Yeah, I didn't really like that mac and cheese. Illusion and so on. What was your favorite character in Cheers?
I don't remember. It was a long time ago. Probably Woody. Yep, that's Woody. Woody
Why?
Hall.
Is he funny?
He is funny.
Go down the stairs?
I don't remember.
See, okay, I think I'm gonna take a photo.
Go, go, go.
Hey guys, we're looking for the goose is coming to get us.
You hunting duck?
No, goose.
Goose?
Trying to get the goose. Oh, real? No, there's a boss.
Let's go on the bridge.
There's ducks.
So
This
cute.
is called Duck Lake. It's not called. Oh, there's little ducklings.
Under the bridge, yeah.
You know what I would love today? Ice cream.
Ooh.
Guys, we have to go behind Mama because we're in the baby room.
Eat it.
Music.
All in for the video.
Water fountain. It's a nice water fountain. And it's a small.
Last one stopped. Jake, let them do it. Hey Jakey, so how did you like Boston?
I like it a lot.
What about you, Ola?
Wait, what?
How do you like Boston?
Yeah.
You like it?
I like
Would you come back? Would you recommend it?
Yes.
You wanna leave?
Live.
Oh yeah, you can go to MIT.
Harvard.
They're both really good.
We didn't go on the carousel.
They're both really good.
Alright. Well, what do we say to our friends?
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time. Meaning.
I'm like,
For watching.